Hello friends, good evening. My name is Lalita and today we are going to discuss about today's editorial page. And today's topic is falling on fires. Srisailam Power Plant accident underscores the importance of fire safety codes. So, in Srisailam we are having a power plant, right? From which the current produced in that area. Because we are having a dam in Srisailam, mostly the area which are where we are having dams, from there the electricity would be produced to the particular areas. So this power plant, it underscore fire thing, existence may happen, right? So they are trying to take the safety measures they wanted to. A fire in a hydroelectric station located close to unlimited quantities of water would seem to be a contradiction, but as the deadly blaze in the Srisailam power plant shows, the rise in the very real. So, a fire in the hydroelectric station. Actually, this fire was blasted in the hydroelectric station, which was near to the dam, means which was near to the water, and that would seem a contradiction. Means getting closer. But its deadly blaze at the Srisailam power plant shows the risk in a very real. But it deadly means it mostly 70% it shows a very not project. 70% because of the fire there is a risk to the people who are living there. 9 people including 5 engineers perished in the facility of the Telangana Andhra Pradesh border. So 9 people means who were the outer, and 5 engineers who were working there had died because of this fire extinguisher, and who belong to the Telangana and Andhra Pradesh border. At 900 MW capacity, the plant of the left bank canal of Krishna is one of the biggest contributors to the Telangana State Power Generation Corporation. Another branch serves Andhra Pradesh. So at 900 MW, at 900 power, the capacity, the plant of the left bank of the Krishna river, the left bank means which is located in the left side of the river Krishna, and other one is the and which was present in the left side, and it is one of the biggest contributors to the Telangana State Power General Corporation. And another branch serves the Andhra Pradesh, and another branch serves towards the Andhra Pradesh. What makes the accident more disturbing is that it comes, and another shock is the season of disasters. So actually the accident is happened, and because of one thing it had became actually because of this fire 70% is a very harmful, and other 30% increase due to that, because now this is a disastrous time. So rainfall, because we get floods, and we are having many losses towards that, and this increased the rate of occurrence, means if the disaster comes and goes, but again it added, right? So the level increased actually, so the effect is also increased by the people. And industries and the power plants in Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Telangana have been dragged by accidents during the COVID-19 pandemic. So industries and all the power plants are actually in the Andhra Pradesh, which are present in the Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Telangana, they have been dragged accidents during they dragged means mostly it becomes dreadful, and this is during the COVID-19 pandemic. Actually disaster and the fire extinguisher is one problem, and even COVID-19 is attacked, right? And in Srisailam, if you observe, the fire appears to have started in the control panel during the maintenance. So, during the time of maintenance, if you had observed, the Srisailam means in that time the control had crossed and the fire had raised in that particular area. The victims were unable to make an exit through an escape tunnel and were overwhelmed by the smoke, while others at different level could flee in the time. So and the victims who are affected by this means the people who are inside, like the people who are working at that time in that prone area, actually they try to escape through the escape tunnel, but actually that is not possible, means that made impossible, and overwhelmed by the smoke. So if we got a fire, automatically smoke will come out, right? So the smoke has passed over through. Because of that smoke, some people had lost their lives, and while outers get different level could flee in the time. So others try to flee in that time. Going by the official account, the smoke made it difficult even for rescue personnel to enter the four-storied structure. So, going by official account, so if we look in an official way, we could say that the smoke made it difficult even the rescue personnel to enter the. So, even to enter into the four-storied structure, the rescue made it very hard. So, they didn't try. Even there is no chance to get into the escape tunnel. Moreover, videos made by the staff present the spectacle of a small fire rapidly engulfing the working area, trapping the personnel and leaving little room for a maneuver. So, moreover, videos made by the staff means the staff present there who are present there, who are working there, they had made some videos, and they had and a spectacle of small fire rapidly. So they saw a small fire rapidly rising in their particular room or area, and another one is and engulfing the working area, and the trapping and personal and leaving little room for maneuver. Telangana has instituted a CID injury apart from plant operators' own probe. So the Telangana had instituted, means the Telangana had said that, and it gave a permission to CID inquiry, and apart from the plant's operators' own probe. Means plant operator, the person who operate the plant, except that area, they gave allowance to the all other people, all other areas to get and check it out, because first why the fire had arisen in that area, but an external technical audit with no conflicts of interest could better serve the objective, identifying Lorne to stop a future catastrophe. So, if you could observe, we were saying that the Telangana, it had already gave the permission, but an external technical audit with no conflicts on the interest could better serve the objective. So if the public also helps us without no conflicts or without no audits, we could have an interest, and we could say the future catastrophe for this area. It can determine why the victims could not make a safe exit as per standard procedure. So, if we did the inquiry, it can even say that why the people are actually not able to go into the escape tunnel, means why they are not getting out of it. Many people had died till now. By today, 9 people and 5 engineers had lost their lives, and again in the past they would lost their lives, if we count. So, firstly, now they had kept into mind that first of all, why they are not trying to get into the escape tunnel, is any problem in that area. So they are trying to check it out. Large hydraulic power plants are usually built well below surface. So the large hydroelectric power plants are usually built well below surface level, where generation and control and transmission equipment are located. So the large hydroelectric power plant, where that was present, and that was built below the surface level, and where the generation, control and transmission equipment are located, means in that prone area. And handling a fire becomes complicated in such circumstances, and safety features have to be extremely reliable. So in that type of areas, actually handling the fire is very becomes a very complicated, and it's not that much easy, and because of that only many had lost their lives, and they are trying to give the safety features which was extremely reliable. IEEE standards for substation fire protection, issued a quarter century ago, lay down norms for fixed and portable ventilation systems that can remove heavy smoke as seen in Srisalem. So the IEEE standards, like it had said that for the fire protection issued by a quarter century ago, means issued before 1/4 century ago, actually the laid on norms of the fixed and portable ventilation systems can be remove heavy smoke. Because of they gave some indications, because of that we can be protected from the smoke, and we can save our lives. Use of fire retardant materials in construction, dual exist is very vertical escape routes using staircases and alarm systems are all a part of safety codes. So use of fire retardant materials in the construction. So coming to the construction, like in that area, like we can say that the vertical escape routes are now they are giving alarm. So if the fire extinguishing is going to happen, that alarm will rise, so the people could be saved their lives, and they are giving the safety codes for that alarm, and they provided everything. Whether these features were available in the Telangana power plant, and if they were, why personnel couldn't use them quickly escape in the infernos should be investigated. The dam fire is primarily the state government's responsibility, but the centre should take the opportunity to revive the safety in the places at the Jharkhand when extensive underground coal field fires have affected remote communities. So here actually when the dam fire is happened, the state government should need to take the responsibility, but even the central government need to be responsibility for providing the safety measures and everything. India loses many lives to fire each other at 12,748 accidental deaths in 2018, nearly double the number caused by the forces of the nature, according by the NCRB data. So according to the NCRB data, in India, mostly in 2018, there were 12,748 fire cases, means the people who had lost their lives. And this year it had become doubled. Only a rigorous adherence of the safety codes can reduce this shocking toll. So safety codes only helpful for the decreasing the deaths due to the which are caused by the fire. And now let us look at the meanings which were included in this. Underscores means underline something to emphasize. Emphasize means considering into. So I underscored this thing, means this is the main important part in this sentence. Blaze means fire, flames, conflagration, expression of the anger. Blaze means we have many times in that. Sometimes it indicates the fire and flames, and sometimes as an expression of the fire or the expression of the anger. Perished means die, expire, rot or decay, extremely cold. Die expire means losing their lives. So 9 people and 5 engineers had perished due to this case. Bricked means badly damaged, very drunk. Badly damaged means in a very harsh way, it was heavily damaged. Engulfing means surrounded or cover something completely. Surrounded or cover something completely means engulfing means surrounded by that. It was engulfed by the smoke, surrounded by the smoke. Manok means move carefully, skillfully, guide, navigate. Move carefully means moving in a very careful manner without any disturbances. Lonake means unfilled space, a gap. Unfilled space means the gap between any two things is called as menocre. Catastrophe means disaster, calamity and crisis. Disaster means we all know that the national disasters, artificial disaster, many things are there in this. Catastrophe means disaster. Retardant means substance used to slow down or reduce the intensity of the fire. Retardant means which is used to decrease the intensity of the fire. Ramifications means consequence, result, aftermath. Means getting result of that disaster, means how many deaths are there or how many had saved their lives, like that. Cripple means a disabled, lame, unable to walk properly. Cripple means in one word we can say that handicapped means disabled, not able to. Disruption means disturbance or problem which interrupt an event. Disturbance or problem. Having a disturbance towards something or having a problem. Pertinent means relevant to the point, appropriate. Relevant means similarly to the point. Bolster means support, strength or pillar or cushion. Support means support or giving strength to someone by our words. So this is today's editorial. Thank you.